How do charities connect with funders for money? The traditional approach obviously isn't the answer. Like it or not, nonprofits need grants to build revenue to fund critical missions. There is a growing crisis, however. The economy is trending down and inflation is at its worst in decades. We can, however, anticipate victory. Imagine what it will feel like when you finally find cutting-edge strategies that win grants. Waiting is not an option. We'd love not to make any radical changes, but put bluntly, our usual grant writing tools will not help us find the funding we need now or ever. Is there an answer? Yes, there is. Rather than business as usual, what if you could adopt a field-tested, lightning-fast approach to winning grants? What if you could implement a strategy that produces 200 applications a year, not the usual 20? And yes, there's an answer. You can build a 5-step process into your grant writing office using a method called lightning-fast grant writing. How do we do it? We work with teams of 2, a grant pilot and a grant co-pilot, to take advantage of the division of labor. And it's easier than you think. In short, you take the fastest and most effective route to applying for and winning grants. But you don't have to do the work. We implement and manage the lightning-fast system for you. And we can do this for real. With Lightning Fast, we have a streamlined process that uses cutting-edge software and techniques. In other words, your potential leaps from $20,000 a year to more than $200,000 a year. And it's easy to get started. Go to our website and click on our free grant readiness assessment at lightningfastgrantwriting.com. You will receive instant benefits. You'll immediately meet 10 times more people, all of whom can send you needed resources. There will be early benefits. We'll help you see that you don't really have a money problem. You actually have a story problem. There will also be annual benefits. You will operate from a place of confidence and strength. You also have visionary impact. What you will learn from working with a lightning-fast grant writing team will change everything about your charity for the better. Please contact us right away. Fill out our grant readiness assessment form at our lightningfastgrantwriting.com website. Please take action now.